Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the world of accountants and auditors. This video is designed to unveil the crucial roles that these professionals play in the business world, from ensuring financial accuracy and compliance to advising on cost savings and financial strategy. Whether you're considering a career in accounting, want to understand the financial practices that impact your business, or are simply curious about what accountants and auditors do, this video will provide you with comprehensive insights into their education, daily responsibilities, compensation, and much more. Did you know that, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of accountants and auditors is projected to grow 6% from 2021 to 2031? This growth is fueled by the essential need for professionals who can navigate the increasingly complex financial landscapes and regulations that companies worldwide face. Furthermore, amidst significant financial scandals and economic downturns, the demand for transparency and accountability in financial reporting has never been higher, making the roles of accountants and auditors more pivotal than ever. Let's dive into the lives of these indispensable professionals and discover what makes their work so critical in our modern economy. Accountants and auditors are professionals who manage financial information, ensuring it is accurate, up-to-date, and in compliance with various regulatory standards. Accountants typically prepare, analyze, and verify financial documents so that businesses and individuals can make informed financial decisions and remain in compliance with the law. They may work in many different specialties, such as management accounting, tax accounting, or forensic accounting. Accountants are instrumental in helping firms budget, perform financial forecasting, manage tax payments, and reduce costs. Auditors, on the other hand, primarily focus on examining financial statements to ensure their accuracy and compliance with laws and regulations. Auditors can be internal, working within an organization to review financial operations and improve processes, or external, independently verifying the financial statements prepared by accountants to ensure fairness and transparency for shareholders and regulators. Both roles are crucial in fostering trust and efficiency in financial practices, playing a key role in corporate governance, risk management, and strategic planning. Accounting's roots can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Rome, where record-keeping was essential for the administration of agricultural production and taxation. The oldest known records that resemble accounting documents date back to ancient Mesopotamia, around 3300–3000 BCE, in the form of clay tablets that recorded the output of farms and the distribution of supplies. In ancient Egypt, scribes used hieroglyphics to keep detailed logs of products and financial transactions, which were critical for managing the vast resources of the state and temples. Similarly, in ancient Rome, publicani, public contractors, managed tax collection and public works, maintaining detailed financial records to account for their activities to the state. The significant development in accounting came during the medieval period, particularly with the rise of trade and the merchant class in Italy. The introduction of double-entry bookkeeping, a system where every entry to an account requires a corresponding and opposite entry to a different account, revolutionized accounting. This system provided a clear, organized method to track multiple transactions over time, which was essential for merchants managing increasingly complex trade activities across different regions. Luca Pacioli, a Franciscan friar and mathematician, published Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proporzioni et Proporzionalità in 1494, which included a section on the double-entry accounting system. Although not its inventor, Pacioli was the first to describe the system in detail, and his work spread this knowledge across Europe, earning him the title of Father of Accounting. As businesses grew during the Industrial Revolution, the need for more sophisticated financial systems became evident. The complexity of managing large-scale production and distribution required more precise financial tracking and reporting, leading to the formalization of the accounting profession. During this period, the role of auditors emerged more prominently as shareholders sought assurances that the financial statements of the companies they invested in were accurate and truthful. In the 19th century, accounting and auditing practices became more standardized, and professional accounting bodies were established in Britain, e.g., the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, founded in 1880. These organizations played a crucial role in developing ethical standards and professional qualifications for accountants. The 20th century saw further professionalization and globalization of accounting standards, particularly following the Great Depression and various financial scandals. These events spurred governments and international bodies to establish more rigorous regulations for financial reporting and auditing. The establishment of the International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, and the International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, helped harmonize accounting practices worldwide. Auditing, too, evolved significantly in response to corporate failures and financial crises, most notably with the introduction of the Sarbanes-Oxley Act in 2002 following the Enron scandal. This act enhanced the independence of external auditors and increased the accountability of auditing firms to prevent conflicts of interest and fraudulent practices. Today, accounting and auditing remain pivotal in ensuring the transparency, accountability, and efficiency of both public and private sectors, adapting continuously to new economic challenges, technological advancements, and global financial landscapes. Accountants and auditors play critical roles in the financial industry by ensuring the accuracy and legality of financial records and helping organizations run efficiently. A typical day for an accountant may involve posting daily receipts, tracking and recording expenditures, and managing invoices, preparing balance sheets, income statements, and other financial documents that provide insights into a business's performance, analyzing financial data to identify trends, resolve discrepancies, and recommend financial actions, assisting in budget preparation and monitoring financial plans and forecasts, calculating tax obligations and preparing tax returns, ensuring compliance with taxation regulations. A day in the life of an auditor might include designing audit objectives and plans, preparing to assess risks and internal controls, conducting on-site or remote reviews of financial records and processes. This involves verifying transactions, observing inventory counts, and interviewing staff to ensure financial statements are accurate and comply with laws and regulations. Writing audit findings, preparing formal reports and recommendations for improving procedures, ensuring that recommendations from audit reports are implemented, and conducting follow-ups where necessary. Both accounting and auditing encompass a range of specializations, each with unique responsibilities. Tax accounting focuses on preparing and filing tax returns and planning for future tax obligations. Forensic accounting involves investigating financial crimes such as embezzlement, fraud, and money laundering. Forensic accountants often work with law enforcement and are integral to legal proceedings. Management accounting, also known as cost, managerial, corporate, or private accounting. This area involves analyzing financial information to inform business strategy and drive performance. Government accounting manages public funds, ensuring the legality and efficiency of government expenditures and revenues. Internal auditing focuses on evaluating the effectiveness of an organization's internal controls, risk management, and governance processes. External auditing, conducted by independent professionals, external auditing aims to provide an objective assessment of financial statements for stakeholders. Accountants and auditors rely on various tools and technology to enhance accuracy and efficiency. Accounting software, programs like QuickBooks, Sage, and Xero are fundamental for day-to-day transaction management, payroll processing, and financial reporting. Spreadsheets. Tools such as Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are staples for data analysis and financial modeling. Specialized audit software. Tools like ACL, IDEA, and Caseware allow auditors to perform data analytics and manage audit workflows efficiently. Enterprise resource planning, ERP. Systems. Systems like SAP and Oracle provide an integrated suite of applications that accountants use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from various business activities. Cloud-based platforms. Increasingly, both fields utilize cloud-based solutions to ensure real-time data access, collaboration, and security across multiple locations. These responsibilities and tools outline the structured yet dynamic nature of accounting and auditing, highlighting the crucial role these professions play in the financial health and oversight of organizations. Becoming an accountant or auditor isn't just about being good with numbers, it's about formal education and ongoing learning. Here's how you can get started and keep growing in these fields. To kick off a career in accounting or auditing, you generally need a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Here's a quick rundown of the typical educational path. Most accountants and auditors start with a bachelor's degree in accounting. This degree will cover the basics of financial accounting, managerial accounting, taxation, and audit principles. Programs often include courses in business law, management, economics, and information systems. While not always necessary, a master's degree, like a Master of Accounting, MAC, or an MBA with a focus on accounting, can help with more advanced knowledge and better job prospects, especially for competitive positions or specializations. Key courses include financial reporting, auditing, taxes, cost accounting, and business strategy. Skills in data analytics and information technology are increasingly important, so courses that integrate these skills into accounting practices can be particularly valuable. After schooling, certifications can really boost an accountant's or auditor's credentials. Certified Public Accountant, CPA. This is the most recognized qualification in the field. To become a CPA, you need to pass the Uniform CPA examination and meet specific education and work experience requirements, which vary by state. Certified Management Accountant, CMA. This certification is ideal for those looking to focus on financial management and strategic business areas. It demonstrates your ability to integrate financial analysis into the broader business decision-making process. Certified Internal Auditor, CIA. For those specializing in internal auditing, the CIA certification shows expertise in standards for auditing and the ability to manage risks. It's offered by the Institute of Internal Auditors, YYA, and candidates must pass an exam and meet educational and experience requirements. Other certifications. Depending on your area of interest, other certifications like Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, Certified Fraud Examiner, CFE, or Certified Financial Services Auditor, CFSA, can be beneficial. The world of finance is always evolving. New laws, regulations, and technologies are constantly reshaping the landscape. Here's why continuing education is crucial. Staying compliant. Tax laws, financial regulations, and auditing standards change frequently. Continuing education helps professionals stay informed and compliant. Maintaining certifications. Most certifications require continuing professional education, CPE, credits to maintain status. These courses ensure that professionals stay competent and effective in their roles. Advancing skills. As new technologies like blockchain or AI become more integrated into financial practices, ongoing education in these areas can provide significant advantages and keep you ahead in the field. The pathway to becoming and thriving as an accountant or auditor involves rigorous education, earning professional certifications, and committing to lifelong learning to adapt to new challenges and opportunities in the industry. Understanding the financial rewards and career trajectories in accounting and auditing can help aspiring professionals navigate their paths more effectively. Here's a closer look at salary ranges, career pathways, and current job market trends in these fields. Salaries in accounting and auditing can vary widely based on several factors. Entry-level accountants and auditors typically start with salaries ranging from $45,000 to $60,000 annually. With more experience, particularly those who obtain CPA or other relevant certifications, can see significant increases. Mid-career professionals often earn between $65,000 and $90,000, while senior-level accountants and auditors, including those in managerial or specialized roles, can earn $100,000 or more per year. Salaries can be significantly higher in major metropolitan areas or financial centers like New York City or San Francisco due to the higher cost of living and concentration of large companies. As in many fields, more experience generally correlates with higher pay. Senior accountants and auditors with decades of experience, or those in senior management roles, often see the highest salaries. Certain specializations, such as forensic accounting or IT auditing, can command higher salaries due to the specialized skills and expertise required. Holding advanced certifications like CPA, CMA, or CIA typically leads to higher salaries compared to non-certified counterparts. Career paths in accounting and auditing offer a range of opportunities from entry to executive levels. Positions like junior accountant or auditing assistant are common starting points, focusing on tasks like basic bookkeeping, preparing financial statements, and assisting with audit documentation. As experience grows, professionals can move into roles such as senior accountant, audit manager, or tax manager, which involve more complex accounting tasks, oversight of junior staff, and direct interaction with clients or senior management. At the higher levels, titles such as controller, chief financial officer, CFO, or partner in an accounting firm are achievable. These roles involve strategic planning, major decision-making, and leading entire departments or firms. Consultancy and freelancing. Experienced professionals may also choose to work as consultants or freelancers, offering specialized services to businesses on a contract basis. Several current trends are shaping the employment landscape for accountants and auditors. Automation and AI are transforming traditional accounting tasks, such as data entry and transaction coding, which can change the demand for certain skills but also opens up new roles in overseeing and integrating these technologies. The rise of fintech companies has created a demand for accountants and auditors who are not only skilled in finance, but also adept in technologies like blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Ongoing changes in financial regulations and an increased focus on transparency and accountability keep the demand for skilled accountants and auditors high. As businesses continue to operate on a global scale, There is a growing need for professionals who understand international accounting standards and cross-border financial regulations. The career prospects in accounting and auditing are robust, with varied pathways leading to high levels of responsibility and compensation, especially for those who continually adapt to the evolving landscape of technology and regulations in the industry. Accountants and auditors typically have quite dynamic lifestyles, shaped by their work environments, the ebb and flow of the business seasons, and the demands of their careers. Here's a more laid-back look at what life might be like in these roles. Most accountants and auditors find themselves in an office, whether that's a cozy small business office or bustling floors of a large firm. Picture your typical office setup: desks, meeting rooms, maybe a few plants here and there. Lately, there's been a shift towards more flexibility with remote work. Thanks to all the tech that keeps us connected, many in the field can now handle their tasks from the comfort of their homes or even a coffee shop. Auditors get around a bit more, often heading out to client sites to conduct their reviews. Depending on who they're working for, this might just be a trip across town or an occasional international journey. The standard is a 40-hour week, but it's not all clockwork. When deadlines loom, such as during tax season or at fiscal year ends, the hours can stretch out a bit. Speak of tax season from January to April, accountants really buckle down. It's a similar rush for auditors around their clients' fiscal year ends. But thankfully, it's not all year round. The good news is that many firms are catching on to the benefits of giving their staff some leeway with how they manage their hours. Flexible schedules and even compressed work weeks can make it a lot easier to juggle personal life and work commitments. It's no walk in the park, especially with critical deadlines and the need for pinpoint accuracy. Learning to manage stress is part of the job, but it's definitely an important skill to hone. For auditors, travel can be part of the package. It might sound glamorous, but it can be a mixed bag if you've got other commitments or just prefer to stay put. It's not a job that'll have you breaking a sweat, but don't underestimate the wear and tear from sitting at a desk all day. Keeping active and setting up a comfy workspace can help keep those desk job blues at bay. Overall, life as an accountant or auditor is full of ups and downs, with plenty of challenges and rewards along the way. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your career ambitions and your personal life find their best balance. Alright, we've covered quite a bit today about the fascinating world of accountants and auditors. Let's quickly recap the main points. Who they are and what they do. We kicked off by defining accountants and auditors, diving into their essential roles in business, from managing financial records and ensuring accuracy to conducting audits and improving business efficiencies. Education and certification. We explored the educational paths necessary for entering these fields, including the critical certifications like CPA, CMA, and CIA that can elevate a professional's credentials. Career pathways and salary. We discussed how careers can evolve in accounting and auditing, from entry-level positions to senior roles, and how factors like location, experience, and specialization can affect salaries, lifestyle. Finally, we touched on the typical work environments, the impact of busy seasons, and how these professionals balance work and life, along with the physical and travel demands of the job. Now, if this peek into the world of accountants and auditors has sparked your interest, why not dive deeper? Whether you're considering a career in this field, thinking about a shift, or just looking to learn more, there's always more to explore through education and personal research. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments below, especially if you're an accounting or auditing professional with insights or experiences to share. Your input can help others gain more from this discussion, and who knows? Your advice might just be what someone needs to hear to make that big career leap.